That is the GSX 8R from behind. I'll get you some nice shots of the bike. Let's try. That's my nephew riding the bike. The Java, and this is the Super Meteor coming in there. Absolute beauty, that as well. On the highways, cruising, I never felt so comfortable riding on the highways other than on Super Meteor. Look at the posture. Kushal is sitting on it. Looks absolutely majestic. I think we should add panniers to that. I think adding panniers will really enhance the beauty of this bike. It will make it look a little more bigger and more beautiful. The beauty. Right now I'm enjoying good company, young boys around. Even I am also feeling pretty young. Today being my birthday, we came out to celebrate at the airport. I am 41 today. Let me show you the Java when it comes close. Shrikesh is on Java. He slowed down slightly. Maybe waiting for us. Yep. Abhi taron se khelo, चांदनी किरणों से इटलाओ, मिलेगी उसके चेहरे की सहर, आहिस्ता 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 आहिस्ता. Very beautiful ghazals. The Java. Looks so beautiful, stunning. It feels like, still feels like the old Java. A lot of people disagree to it, but for me the real validation is really old people, genuinely old people who have in their heydays, who had Java with them, walking up to this bike and telling me that, wow, this is, how come you have it in still in such mint condition? And they didn't realize that this was a relaunch of the old Java. So that is the best validation that I've received for this bike. So nothing else matters to me. And it's not once or twice, it's happened more than 4 times to me. If I'm not wrong, exactly around 5 for sure. 5 for sure. People walking up and saying this is an absolute beauty. And those are the people who had Javas in their days, younger days. They had Java, they owned the Java. So one person who was, about 75, 80, I guess, I'm not sure. So he was in the passenger seat. He asked his driver to follow me when I was riding that Java and asked me to stop. He waved me down and then asked me, how come you have Java in such good condition? And I told him that no, this is a relaunch and it's just been launched by this thing, and he couldn't believe, and he really appreciated the bike and congratulated me and then left. So that's an absolute validation for recreating an old bike with the modern limitations. Of course, you can't get an old Java in the two-stroke, the emission norms and all these problems, plus the disc brake is needed and so many other things, liquid cooling system, all these became necessary. So we can't blame modernity for taking away a little bit of aesthetics, but I think it's blended and absolutely beautiful, just like the BSA. The classic legends have got these two bikes absolutely right. If you ask me, this is my opinion, right? And my opinion matters probably because I own both of them. So I love them so much, the classic bikes, so I picked up both of them. So I'm telling you that this is the closest they could have gotten it. So I'm very happy. I don't think there is anything that they could have done better than this. Let's see. Hopefully in future, if there is something that they can do better, we'll definitely appreciate that. So that's it for tonight. I guess another 20 minutes ride home, and keep me posted on further things. Take care, sleep well, and have a great year ahead.